years now, but I was always like, I had other commitments, and this year it just happened to work out that I could do the pageant. I was like really excited. Then I found out there was like 22 girls. Like,
did that make you a little nervous?
It definitely was really intimidating when you come into your first practice and there's so many girls.
Yeah.
And they're all like really pretty and they are really polished, and you're just like, oh goodness.
Was this your first contest?
No, this is my second. My first one was Junior Miss Apple Festival, so.
Oh, okay. So you've done it before at least.
Yeah.
That probably helped a little.
A little bit.
Still
a little nervous.
Still nerve-wracking. All right, so how old are you?
I'm 14.
All right, Andrea, what town do you live in?
I live in Buchanan.
And where do you go to school?
Buchanan High School.
What year this year?
Freshman.
What are you involved in at school?
I'm involved in drama club, Spanish. I am involved in yearbook and spirit club, which is a big thing at Buchanan. Like everybody's in the spirit club.
Yeah, you guys were in what, like a statewide competition last year, right?
We were in Battle of the Fans, and we're state champs.
Yay!
This year we're defending our title, so it's like really serious meeting. It's like, okay, we got to think of our cheers and our colors and what we're going to do for this game. So it's an important job.
It's all pretty planned out.
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. And who are your parents and your family?
My mom and my dad are Angela and Robert Bear, and I don't have any brothers and sisters.
Another only child. We had a lot of only children in the first group of girls.
If I wasn't an only child, I definitely wouldn't be doing pageants and volleyball and after-school activities.
Yeah, because it sounds like you keep your parents running.
Definitely.
Yeah. So what are you planning on for after high school? Do you have any thoughts about college?
I would hope to go to a four-year university for something in forensic science or genetics, and then during my summers in college, I hope to work at Disney as a cast member.
Wow.
So that would be pretty fun. I want to go to college at Michigan Tech, so it'd be like from the top of the United States to like the bottom.
Yeah.
I'd go from like extreme cold to extreme heat.
Well, you have a great time this year on the court. I can tell you're going to have a wonderful time. Katie Preston is second runner-up to Miss Teen Blossom Time. Congratulations.
Thank you.
And I know this is not your first pageant, right? Give us the list.
I've done 4 pageants. I did Little Miss Bridgman, I did Southwest Princess, and then I just did Junior Teen Blossom Time last year.
And what titles have you won?
I was first runner-up to Little Miss Bridgman. I was Miss Southwest Princess. I was Blossom Time Junior Teen, and now I'm second runner-up to Blossom Time Teen.
So you'll be able to participate in all the fun Blossom Time
events
this year.
Yeah, I'm really excited.
What are you looking forward to most this year?
I'm also looking forward to the Blessings of the Blossoms, because that's really fun, and then also the Coronation Ball, because that's just a fun night.
Yeah, that's a really just kind of kick your shoes off and have a really good time night, right? All right, so let's talk a little bit about you. What town do you live in?
I live in Bridgman.
All right, and how old are you this year?
I'm 14 years old.
14 already, all right. So you're a freshman?
I'm in 8th grade.
8th grade, okay. Still in, do you have junior high in Bridgman, or do you guys go to?
Yeah, it's middle school.
It's middle school in Bridgman, okay, very good. And looking forward to high school next year then?
Yeah, really excited.
Wow. Are you excited, or are you nervous about high school?
I'm kind of nervous for it, because everybody's like 17 in there, but I think it's going to be really fun.
So do you have some other pageants that you're thinking about participating in your future?
I'm thinking about doing Miss Bridgman when I get old enough for that.
Yeah. All right. So this year you have a wonderful court to travel with. Have you already seen your schedule or your itinerary yet?
Yeah, we got our schedule the night of the pageant. It sounds pretty busy, but I think it's going to be fun hanging out with everybody, because everybody's all really nice.
Yeah. So who are Mom and Dad and brothers and sisters?
My mom are Robin Tamara Preston, and then I have an older brother, Michael.
All right. One older brother. Was he there for the coronation?
Yes, he was, because he's Mr. Bridgman, so he's attending as well.
Oh, is he? Okay. Very good. Wonderful. What are you involved in at school?
I am involved in math comp and musical theater, mostly at my school, like the drama club. And that's what I do at my school, and I'm also part of the volleyball team.
Okay. Have you started at all to think about your future as far as what you'd like to do?
Yes.
I know it's really early for college, but...
Yeah, I'm hoping to attend Interlochen School of Performing Arts my sophomore year, and then hopefully go to University of Michigan to major in musical theater performance.
Yeah, and what do you see yourself doing as an adult with your career?
Hopefully be on Broadway in New York. That's my main
Good.
goal.
The big goal. All right, very good. Well, congratulations to you.
Thank you.
And we move on to the first runner-up to Miss Teen Blossom Time, Madeline Keller. Congratulations to you, Madeline.
Thank you.
So now you brought a little bag in here with you. Is this from you or is this from the court?
This is from me and my mom. We made cookies.
Oh, you did? Oh, great. Well, thank you very much. That was very kind. How in the heck did you find time to do that?
Somewhere in that schedule.
This has been a crazy weekend. What was pageant day like for you?
It was very hectic since I'm from Three Oaks and we had to go to Lake Shore, about a 25-minute drive. So it was very hectic going to the interview, then back home, back to pageant. But it was a lot of fun.
Mm-hmm. Now, do you also have a history of doing some pageants, or is this your first one now?
I've done pageants before. My first pageant was with Katie as Little Miss Bridgman, and then I also did Little Miss Three Oaks. And I just actually gave up my crown as Miss Teen Three Oaks.
Oh, you did? Okay. Wow. So you've also had some experience. So was this a pageant that you kind of had in your sights for a while?
In the past year, I've kind of been thinking about it. It seemed like it was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
I've known some of the girls from last year's court, and they said that it was just a blast.
And more pageants coming for you, do you think, also in your future?
Yeah, I hope to do Miss Three Oaks.
Yeah.
That looks like that'll be fun.
Well, how old are you now?
I am a 14-year-old freshman.
14. So you still have a little bit of time before you'll be thinking about that. But you're a freshman at what school?
At Bridgman High School.
Bridgman High School. All right. Very good. What are you involved in at school?
I am part of the JV volleyball team, JV basketball, and softball team. I am also co-class president of my freshman class.
All right. Anything outside of school that you're involved in?
Travel softball and then pageants.
Wow. An athlete here. That's awesome. And who are your parents in your family?
My parents are Roger and Mary Keller, and then I have one older brother, Matthew.
All right. Also, the whole family there for your coronation?
Yeah.
Have a cheering section at the contest? Was it a little nervous for you when you walked in and saw 22 contestants?
Yeah. It was very nerve-wracking.
What about for you, Katie? Was that tough? I mean, 22 girls.
Yeah, it was kind of nervous because they were all just so pretty and nice, and I was like, oh, this is going to be hard for the judges.
And I'm sure it was, because I'm sure any one of you really could have probably held the title. Madeline, anybody that you'd like to say hello to today?
I'd just like to say hello to my grandma Nina. She's from Illinois and she's listening right now.
Oh, is she? Is she streaming? Okay, very good. All right, well, we're going to take a break right now. When we come back, we'll be talking with Miss Teen Blossom Time, Allie Turtle, when we continue in the Spotlight on WWS.